Hey there, creative hustlers! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's going to empower your creativity while putting some extra cash in your pocket. That's right, we're talking about how to make money with Canva. If you've got a passion for design and a drive to earn, stick around, because we've got some fantastic tips and tricks coming your way. Segment 1. Exploring the power of Canva. Before we jump into the money-making strategies, let's quickly highlight what makes Canva a game-changer. It's a user-friendly online design platform that lets you create stunning visuals, graphics, and even videos without any professional design skills. With its vast library of templates, stock photos, and intuitive tools, you can bring your creative ideas to life effortlessly. Segment 2. Setting the stage for success. Alright, now that we know why Canva rocks, let's talk about how to leverage it for financial gain. The first step is to identify your niche. Are you passionate about social media graphics, logo design, or maybe even printables? Finding your niche will help you tailor your services to a specific audience. Segment 3. Building your Canva skills. Whether you're a Canva newbie or a seasoned pro, continuous learning is key. Canva offers tutorials and courses that can take your skills to the next level. The more you learn, the more valuable your services become. Remember, quality work attracts paying clients. Segment 4. Showcasing your portfolio. Now that you've honed your skills, it's time to put together a killer portfolio. Display your best work on your Canva profile or a personal website. Potential clients want to see what you're capable of, so make sure your portfolio highlights your versatility and style. Segment 5. Tapping into Canva's marketplace. Did you know that Canva has a marketplace where you can sell your designs? That's right, it's an excellent platform to showcase and sell your creations to a global audience. From social media templates to e-book covers, the possibilities are endless. Segment 6. Freelancing and beyond. Beyond Canva's marketplace, you can also offer your design services as a freelancer. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and even social media are fantastic places to market your skills. Don't be afraid to reach out to clients directly or collaborate with other creators. Segment 7. Monetizing your content. But hey, don't limit yourself to just client work. You can also make money by creating and selling your own digital products. E-books, printable planners, design courses. The digital world is your oyster, and Canva is your trusty tool to make it all happen. And there you have it, creative warriors, your guide to making money with Canva. Remember, it's not just about the income. It's about doing what you love and turning your passion into a profitable venture. So, get out there, explore the world of design, and let Canva be your companion on this exciting journey. If you found this video inspiring and informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And as always, keep designing, keep hustling, and keep soaring. Until next time, stay creative.